Do you want to switch to personal account on Instagram? You can change back to personal Instagram account with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Switching to a personal account on Instagram is a simple process, whether your account is a business or a creator. You can switch back to personal account from your creator or business account with just a few simple steps. To switch back to personal account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon. Scroll down and tap on Business Tools and Controls from the menu that appears on the screen. Again, scroll down to the Switch Account Type option and tap on it. A pop-up window will appear with two options, Switch to Personal Account and Switch to a Creator or Business Account. Among these two options, tap on the Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation pop-up screen will appear asking if you want to switch to a personal account. Tap Switch to Personal Account to finalize the switch. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Instagram account to a personal one from business or creator account.